Hello. Today we're going to look at evaluating expressions. So really all that means is if you're given a value, like here, we're given x equals 3. We just need to plug it in and see what this expression equals at this value for x. So to do that, what we do is every time we have an x, we're going to change it out for a 3. And it's a good idea to get in the habit of putting it in parentheses. This will take care of dealing with negatives, which we'll see in a minute. And when you type it in the calculator, that's just, or do it yourself, put it in parentheses, it works nicer. So I get past x, now I have minus 7. So now what we do is you take the 4 times 3, what's that? That's 12. Then minus 7, because we didn't have to do anything with that. And 12 minus 7 is 5. So that's it. We're done. So every time we had an x here, we put in 3 for it, and then just did the arithmetic to get our answer. Alright, let's see. Down here, a little more complicated, but it's still the same idea. We have a value for x, negative 1, and we want to plug it in every place we see an x. Now with ones like this, we have a negative, so like I said, we need to be careful, and we want to make sure that we're surrounding that in parentheses every time we get to an x. So it's x, put parentheses, negative 1, parentheses, then a squared, minus 2, here's another x, so here's another negative 1 inside of the parentheses, of course. And then the plus 1, that one's all on its own. And now we just need to do the arithmetic. So negative 1 squared, when you square something, that's just multiplying it by itself. So there we get 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. The next part here, I have negative 2 times negative 1. So the negatives cancel, we get plus. And 2 times 1 is just 2. And then we have plus 1. So now we can just add everything up. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Good. So we got that one. Now let's just double check. So every time we had an x, we have 2 of them here in this one, we were putting in a negative 1 in its place. And we made sure that we put the parentheses around it. Parentheses preserve the order of operations, especially if we were to type this into the calculator. Like say that's not a negative 1 there. If it's like a big number or something you don't know when you square it, what you get, you would type it in the calculator. So if we have our parentheses here, that helps us out with order of operations. Alright, so that's evaluating expressions. Thanks for watching.